Mowing with a Breeze. Fantastic little machine. Does a wonderful job. Keeps the dust and allergens, the grass clippings, all the pollens out of your face. Has a hose here. Comes off this little motor over the side. Blows up through the helmet, over your face. Keeps it all blown away. It also is blowing through a Hepa filter, so any air that comes in is filtered through a Hepa filter, then over your face. Get you one. You'll love it. Mowing with a Breeze. Go by and see Mowing with a Breeze and Mark and Digger. They can tell you all about it. Great people, great products. Mowing with a Breeze.